perasaan cinta dengan bahasa Inggris. Feeling nothing more than feeling, trying to forget my feelings of love. Whoa! Nothing more than feeling, trying to forget me. Feelings of love keep up rolling down on my face, trying to forget me. Feelings of love, feeling for all my love I'm feeling. I've never met you, girl. You never come again. You never come again. You never come again. Kumpul kembul ning kutha Solo, ayo padha kumpul ning ati lega. Mikul suket dientol-entol senenge banget ya bisa kumpul. Esok-esok mangan tape, aku sesuk mulih dhewe. Kumpul kumbal kambul neng kutha Solo, yo padha ngumpul neng ati lega. Dari mana datangnya lintah, dari sawah turun ke hati. Dari mana datangnya cinta, dari mata turun ke hati. Feelings like I never lost you, and feelings like I never have you again. My heart's love. Feeling, oh.